Thank you for joining us as we review the employment services available to you at Sheridan College through the Community Employment Services Department. Sheridan College has been supporting local employers, industry partners, and job seekers in the community for over 40 years. This department is staffed by Sheridan College employees who are professionals in the career development industry, and we will be happy to support you through your career development and job search. Whether you are a new graduate, changing careers, entry level, or executive level, we have the skills, knowledge, and experience to help you make the next move in your career. All services are available to you at no cost. We are funded by the Ministry of Labour, Training and Skills Development and offering Employment Ontario employment services. Please continue to watch as we provide an overview on all the exciting options available to you. Community Employment Services is located in the heart of Oakville and at a convenient location for all. We are located off campus, right across from the Oakville GO station, which is easily accessible by car and transit. Free parking is available on site and we welcome walk-ins. Due to the pandemic, all services are currently being offered virtually, but rest assured the level of service provided has not been compromised. Our team is ready to help you by phone, web, and video. Our hours are Monday through Friday between 8:30 and 4:30. We have listed our main phone number and email address, and we welcome any questions you may have. Please continue to watch our website as we will post an announcement once in-person services resume. Whether you are looking to conduct an independent job search or have support each step of the way, we can offer a tailored experience that meets your needs. We offer a spacious resource center staffed by resource and information specialists, a comprehensive webinar and workshop schedule to help launch your career development and job search, which is an excellent first step for all, one-on-one employment consulting, job development and job matching, and a business center specialist with tailored services for local employers. At Sheridan, we also proudly offer TriX Mentoring Partnership, connecting newcomers with mentors in their industry, and are connected with organizations and services in the community to support your needs. Let's look into each of these areas in a little bit more detail. Visit us in our resource center to register for employment services at Sheridan and conduct your independent job search efforts. You will have access to several tools and resources to help you along your journey. Check out our library of online and print resources, sample job search documents, and focus your job search in a bright and friendly atmosphere. No appointment is needed to use our resource center resources and tools. Please remember that all services are currently being offered virtually until further notice. Our webinar and workshop series has been created to provide a foundational knowledge of the job search process and what it means to be a competitive applicant throughout this process. Join us for comprehensive, transactional courses in resume writing, creating your cover letter, job search strategies and networking, interview preparation, and leveraging LinkedIn. These courses are available to those conducting an independent job search and those connected with our employment consultants. Interested to know more and register? Contact us today. Let's get started. We have several employment consultants ready to help you along your career development and job search path. Once you are registered with our employment services, you have the option to meet with one of our consultants to create a tailored employment service plan that will help you meet your goals. We have listed some of the areas in which they are able to help you. Please keep in mind our team works together to support your job search from start to finish, but this will be your go-to person for guidance. Let's take a look at job development. Our expert job developers work with local employers to support their hiring needs and actively market our motivated client base for available opportunities. We have built long-standing relationships with some of the best businesses in the area and are committed to providing exceptional service to our local workforce. You will receive tailored job leads, invitations to job fairs and hiring events, and supports in apprenticeship and other placements. Your consultant will work closely with this team to support your career goals. A lot goes on behind the scenes, but we are all here to help you be successful. Our business center offers services tailored to employers and includes job fairs and hiring events and support, access to the Canada-Ontario Job Grant, information sessions, and guest speakers. Keep an eye on our workshop and webinar schedule for details on exciting events coming up. If you are a newcomer to the area and looking for support building your network, connecting with a mentor, and staying motivated in your job search, look no further. The Mentoring Partnership is an incredible program that will pair you with a mentor in your industry to support you over the next few months. If you are interested in more information, contact Janet today and speak with your employment consultant, as a referral to this program is required. We are here to support your needs completely. Feel free to connect with our Resource Center and Information Specialist or your employment consultant if you are in need of support in any of these areas, as there are a lot of great supports available to you in the community, many of which are at no cost to you. Making sure you are ready for job search and your next career move encompasses so much more than just a job search strategy. Let us help you by putting all of the supports needed in place. Thank you for joining us through this presentation. We hope to see you soon.